You're in the news today because there's a report that earlier in the year, Warren Buffett approached you about an investment. Bloomberg says $3 billion. And then Warren did comment later on to us, to our Becky Quick, saying, I'm a great admirer of Dara. Some of the reported details are not correct, but it's true Berkshire had discussions with Uber. What were those discussions?
I don't want to get into the particulars necessary of those discussions, but like Warren said, we did have discussions, and I don't think the reporting was entirely accurate. Listen, Warren Buffett is an investor who has the ability to have his choice of investment in the universe, right? It's his brand, his smarts are unparalleled. And what I'll tell you is that I'm a giant fan. I'm like a Warren Buffett fanboy for many, many years. And one of my business goals in life has been to get Warren Buffett to invest in something that I'm involved in. And so far, I've failed. So maybe one day I can convince him that, times will be right. He would be willing to honor us with an investment. It hasn't happened. And, I think Warren can invest anywhere, anytime.
But no additional color on what he was looking for, what you might have been looking for, or even whether or not it's possible talks resume or continue?
I think, listen, it's always possible that talks resume, and I think there has to be a match. We are a company that has, as you know, an enormous growth trajectory, but at the same time, it comes with considerable risk. So I don't think that we necessarily fit in with the typical Warren Buffett investment. Maybe we can be a different kind of an investment, a portfolio diversification play for him. But, you never know what can happen, and I certainly would welcome any kind of a dialogue with him. It would be an honor. We didn't get there. Could we get there at some point? Maybe, maybe not.
The reports frame it as Uber's cash position is good. You got new term loans coming online, got the investment from the SoftBank consortium, but you don't really you're not hungry for liquidity at the moment.
Not at this point. I mean, we are in a good position in terms of the company's profile, in terms of profitability. Margins continue to get better. We have a very strong balance sheet. And I do think that we are on track in 2019 for an IPO. Lots of things can happen in the world, but we have a reasonable buffer as well. So I think we're in a pretty good spot. That said, we would welcome strategic investment. It's just not something, it's not first priority for me right now. First priority is to continue to build a management team, continue to invest in the brand, and get us in a position where we can build a big business and along the way go public.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.